Talofalava. There's a couple of different ways to say the boy walked the dog in Samoan, but today we're going to talk about the structure where both nouns are behind the action. The action is past tense walked or sa savali, and then we have our two nouns, the boy or letama, and then le maile or the dog. The way that it's written here, we don't know if the boy is walking the dog or if the dog is walking the boy. The way to make this distinction is to use the e. It's not a tense marker, it's just saying that this is the main noun and that this noun is the object of its action. The action is savali. Sa savali eletama le maile. The boy put the action of walk on the dog. Or you can even switch it around and say sa savali le maile eletama, because we got the e to make that distinction. So to review, if one noun is making another noun do something, it gets the e.